Today, we're diving into the world of baby bath time with the Lalo Bathtime Starter Kit, a modern and minimalist solution designed to make bath time safe, fun, and stress-free for both you and your little one. This all-in-one bundle includes a multi-stage baby bathtub, a rinse cup, and a spout cover, all crafted from high-quality, non-toxic silicone and EVA foam, ensuring a safe and healthy experience for your baby. The bathtub is ingeniously designed for extended use, featuring an infant insert for newborns, contoured support for infants, and a removable insert for sitting babies, eventually transforming into a sensory bin for endless child-directed play. With its easy-to-clean design, you can simply wash it with warm, soapy water and let it air dry, allowing you to spend less time on chores and more time bonding with your baby. Exceeding all safety standards, this kit offers peace of mind while you enjoy those precious moments with your newborn. The Lalo Bathtime Starter Kit is not just a product, it's a thoughtful companion for every stage of your baby's growth, making bath time a delightful experience for both parent and child. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.